So, good morning everyone, especially to our instructor, Sir Renan Osali. Here's my report. My report is all about linguistic philosophy of education. If we say linguistic philosophy of education, ito ay ang tumutukoy sa papel ng wika at edukasyon na nagbibigay diin kung paano ang wika ay nakakaapekto sa pag-aaral, komunikasyon, at pangunawa. Halimbawa nito ay ang pagsusuri sa kung paano ang wika ay pagbabago sa paraan ng pagtuturo at pagkatuto. Why teach? To develop the communication skills of the learner because the ability of articulate to voice out the meaning and values of things that one obtains his experience of life and the world is very essence of man. Teachers teach to develop in the learner the skills to send messages clearly and receive messages correctly. So, ang mga guro ay magturo para ma-develop ang kanilang skills sa mag-aaral para maipahayag ang mensahe ng maayos at matanggap nila ang mensahe ng tama. What to teach? Learners should taught to communicate clearly how to send clear, concise messages sent. Communication takes place in the three ways. So, what are the three ways? The three ways are verbal, non-verbal, and paraverbal. If we say verbal, ito ay ang paggamit ng salita o wika upang maipahayag ang damdamin o ang mensahe. And if we say non-verbal, ito ay ang paggamit ng body language, kagaya ng ekspresyon ng mukha. Just like ganito, it means approve. And if we say paraverbal, ito ay ang aspeto ng komunikasyon na kaugnay sa tunog ng boses tulad ng bilis, tono, at pagpapahayag ng boses na nagpapahayag ng kahulugan ng mensahe. There is need to teach learners to use language that is correct, precise, grammatical, coherent, accurate, so that they are able to communicate clearly and precisely their thoughts and feelings. So, and also, there is need to help students expand their vocabularies to enhance their communication skills, teach them to speak languages as you can. So, pwede ka magturo sa kanila ng iba't ibang lingwahe as many as you can. Para naman, marami silang matutunan para sa pakikipag-communicate nila sa mundo. So, how to teach? The most effective way to teach and communication is the experiential way. If we say experiential way, ito ay ang karanasan. Karanasan ng, halimbawa, karanasan ng guro. At ayun din ang karanasan nila ay ituturo nila sa mga bata. So let's make them the experience. Sending and receiving messages through verbal, non-verbal, and paraverbal. And also, teachers should make the classroom a place for the interplay of minds and heart. Dapat gamitin ang paaralan na safe para naman ay magkapagturo ng maayos ang guro para sa mga bata. At yun lang po ang aking report.